Man, the third 100 in the tournament for young Rachin Ravindra. This one will be 6 all the way, drifting onto the pad. Oh, that won't help his mood either. That's another half a dozen.
Has gone up in the air, chance not to be. Well, he's got the option right. Big shot, that's gone, and almost hits our screen. Goes big again, it's flat and 6 again. You beauty.
Oh, he's got him. He's got him, big. That's some Southie back. Just far enough. Santner's. Oh, that's gone miles. Absolutely gone miles. Works it away behind point, and that is something absolutely.
Yes. That's 6. Easily 6. You could hear it off the bat. And we've heard it so often. That's gone further. That is remarkable contact.